Okay, check this out. We added a new feature to this car. You can't move the seat to drive it unless you have the key.
That's right.
Alright, so Dandi Off-Road, right? Here's the deal though. Without some Dandi on-road, there is no Dandi Off-Road.
We're ready. Let's ride.
This. So this is the ride that Brandi likes to drive to work. We have a Ford Explorer, much newer than this, but man, look at this thing. She just likes to drive it. This is her favorite car to drive. However, her seat won't move forward. I jumped in this thing to move it, and of course I had to move it back because I'm a little bit taller than she is, and now she can't reach the pedals. Okay, so here's the deal. This switch, I thought it was actually the motor. So it's going to be, you know, for now, because today is a Saturday, I figured I couldn't get a motor. I made a mess. I took everything out of the glove box, but this side works, right? I'm like, well, still the motor. Still the motor. We good to go. And I was like, okay, well, I'm going to pull the seat out real quick. So I went to pull the seat out. So I can see the bolts there, but this is a two-seat car. I couldn't get to the bolts in the back, and I did this. And as you can clearly see, it's not the motor, so it must be the switch. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that forward. I'm gonna figure out how to get this seat out so I can get to the switch, or actually probably before I do that, let's look at something here. See, the seat automatically goes back. There's not much room here, but let's see if we can figure out how to maybe get to that switch right there. Flip it forward. Let the seat go forward. Move these guys. For understanding, plastic pulls up. Some 5 seats. All right. All right. Gotta love the Milwaukee. And that's the little one, and it's an old one. All right, put this back up. There we go. Now, get these front ones out. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna have to carry this thing. Okay, and there was a bunch of junk under the seat. That's weird. We had to get the wiring harness disconnected. We got the seat loose. This is the bottom of the switch that's the problem. We're gonna take a look at that. Alright, so we've gotten a little carried away. I took the seat out. I'm like, yeah, well, you know, maybe I'll just pop this switch out, go get another one or something. Maybe. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check around in a minute. In the meantime, I kind of got crazy and started taking the switch apart. So took these you know, this piece out of here, off of here. Those are one of those is forward, one's back. Then I'm like, well, it looks like I can actually open that switch up, so that's where we're going. But I need both hands. I'll be right back. Well, then there's that. I was trying to open it up and it exploded in my hands. We're gonna check and see if we can buy one of these real quick, then we'll go from there. Come on, can't reach the pedals.
Okay, I had to put a backpack behind me full of stuff and sit on my purse.
Okay.
I did it.
Yeah. And so here's the thing,
it's not an automatic, by the way, it's a manual. Yeah, so that's harder.
Makes it hard. If it were automatic, it'd be a little bit easier. But we ordered a switch, we ordered the parts we need, but they're not going to be here right now. So
and we need it today.
We need a temporary fix. Yeah, we need to be able to move it around at worst case scenario. So we're just gonna throw a temporary fix on it, and then when we get the switch, we'll pop it in.
So now we're gonna go get a temporary fix, and where you get to watch us put it in, it could be helpful for some people.
Dandi Offroad, because we need to be able to drive that car to do Dandi Offroad.
Because this is a hashtag. Because redneck. Go.
Go. Okay, so we're gonna grab a couple things. We need
everything. I haven't been in here in a while.
We need nothing but two things. We're gonna grab some tire plugs. We keep them with us on the trail.
Oh yeah,
we need to refresh. Okay, so we're here for two things.
One of those things is going to be to refresh our tire kit. We've been looking through our tools. We're low on some supplies that we need on the trail. So, sir, in this area here, this general vicinity, you're going to find all of your tire repair needs. You're going to find prevent, repair, flat tire, emergency flat tire repair items made by Slime, which we've used. We appreciate the fact that they've made such a great product. We have some Fix-A-Flat, always good to have. We have that at home, though. What we need now are going to be some plugs.
Yep. That's for our emergency.
What we're going to do is find that.
Over here.
Oh, I was about to direct you to this area. So here we have the tubeless tire repair kit along with the tire repair inserts, a variety of valves, some different radial tire repair kits. We have some valve cores. There's a lot of items.
Okay, we're going to grab what we need. Let's go.
Okay, so what do we need? We need like this.
Okay, that's a lot.
This is actually
this one's $7.49.
We don't need because we actually have the tools. We just need the stuff.
Well, actually, we probably.
$7.49. That's a good one. What about what's
has
tubeless?
No glue.
Well, no, I'm just saying. What's the difference? 4-inch spring, 8-inch, 4-inch. No, okay.
Tubeless.
Tubeless tire repair kit with easy to grip T handles, repair probing, rasp, and split eye insertion needle. 5 premium 4-inch long repair inserts.
Does it need glue?
This for tubeless radial and bias ply tires, and it does not need glue.
A 3-pole momentary switch. That's what they're called.
If there was a 3-pole momentary switch, I would tell you what, it would be in this section, sir. So let me locate.
Probably over here, where the switches are.
We're going to look at a 30 amp on off. We have a on off. We got the duckbill. We got.
Okay, because this is a super temporary solution, we're going to get one momentary switch, not that one. We want one with the knife fitting, get that. And we're going to get some fittings, and here's what we're going to do. One of these gets a power wire, right?
What's going on?
And then one of them powers the seat one way or the other.
Okay.
So we'll have 2 wires, and you just switch that one. We're probably going to move the seat one time with this.
Yeah, and so it'll be like, it's as long as it's in my position. If you need to move it, you'll switch the wire because I'm afraid of electricity. I worked here for a long time, but I don't wire. I'm more like a tire person.
I just realized there's another easier solution. Let's get out of here. We have a solution, a temporary solution. We ordered a switch, permanent solution.
But
in the meantime, I was gonna borrow the switch from the passenger side, but then we'd have to take the passenger seat out. I was gonna buy a momentary 3-pole switch. I have another option, and I'll show you in a minute.
Oh, I like those kind of options. Let's do it. Is that heavy? Okay. He's getting a special tool. Look, this happens when you're not careful. Okay, are we back on track? I mean, minus one thumb.
I'm too tired. I'm not gonna go into it.
Who needs a thumb? You do.
Here's our temporary solution. Ready for this? Watch this. You touch right here.
Oh, moving forward.
Moves forward. Touch here. Moves
backwards. Done and done.
That'll get us by the couple days just to move this around the house.
Yeah.
I got a hang nail.
Right.
So Brandi's helping me get this back in place.
Those bolts have to line up with the holes.
Yeah. All right, so we're
I feel like I know what you did. You didn't want to do this part.
I didn't.
Hot and it's boring.
All right.
So you freaking sliced your thumb off. If you could have just asked me.
All right.
Seems easier.
So you're gonna start these bolts, and then we're gonna bolt the seat back in, and then we're done with this thing until we get a switch. All right. So we're gonna
guys, today I learned about electricity. I'm just gonna show this because I think it's amazing. Okay. Oh yeah, like butter. Okay.
Butter.
Well, I don't know.
All right.
Bolts in.
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and move it forward and tighten these back ones.
Yeah, we are. Here we go. Move it forward. We go like this to move it forward.
It's a nice switch.
I like it. Do I need to get in
All
it?
right. Now we can put these back a little farther forward.
Good?
A little more.
Nah, I can do things. I can
It's
still
cool for a minute, but we gotta put a switch in it. But at least we can move the car without backpacks and pillows and stuff.
No one cares. It was fun.
All right.
Whoops.
Okay, check this out. We added a new feature to this car. You can't move the seat to drive it unless you have the key.
That's right. So we're going to put it all the way back so only the tallest of people. Or all the way forward. That's more likely they wouldn't be able to.
Key operated.
Boom. And then if you want to move back when I get in, or forward when I get in. Yeah, but I need it back, so I'm not going to do that. What? Key on. Key on, seat move in mod.
All right. All right. You did it.
Can I move it?
Yeah.
I have not driven this car with the seat in the right position in weeks. I've been...
But we had to tear into it to make sure we knew what it
What about
was
this? You showing this?
to order the right parts.
Our door mod?
No. Look at these cut me. All right.
Okay.
Now we're out. We're out.
I get to move
We're
it?
done. We're out. We're out.
Wait, I need to go forward a little bit.
Oh, man. Key operated.
Wow. Wait, that's too far. Oh, wait, that's too much. Let me go forward.
All right. We do have a switch on the way. Everybody relax.
I don't care if we don't. I like this.
Yeah, we're not
Different.
gonna.
Nobody else has this.
It's ridiculous. We're out for sure.